Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So ever since I put together my PC build, I wanted to put together a separate minimal gaming setup. I already have a work setup, which I had my iMac on, but I wanted a separate minimal gaming setup. I've done that now, and I wanted to show you what I've done. So for the desk itself, I've gone with a Linman tabletop from IKEA. It's 120 by 60 centimeters. It's a nice size. It's the right size for the corner that I have in my office. And yeah, it works really well. I have it sitting on two legs on the left side, and then I have it sitting on a Finvard trestle on the right side. I specifically chose this trestle because it has a shelf. And that shelf is actually perfect for the PC. The PC sits on there, has a lot of airflow. So yeah, it's perfect for that. That corner of the room, my gigabit internet also comes into the house. So I have my router and my modem there, and it's a great place to basically just hide all that sort of stuff away and manage it the best I can. On top of the desk, I have a Ulx Desk Map, shameless plug. It's from my store, ulxstore.com. You know, it's just a nice way to add some texture, to add some luxury to the desk. Otherwise, I think it would be too white. Then my PC itself, I've already done a video on this, you know, going through the build, going through the parts that I've chosen, all that sort of stuff. So make sure to check that out. The PC case itself is the Striocom DA2, and Striocom actually recently sent me out their glass panel kit and their performance acrylic kit. The glass side panels themselves, I think, look incredible. They add a real sort of premium look to the case itself. One of the panels is completely black glass and one of the panels is transparent, so you can look into your case and actually see your parts if that's what you're into. However, these glass panels do obviously restrict airflow, so make sure to consider your airflow options if you are looking to get the glass panels or side kit for your Striocom DA2. I personally won't be using the glass side panels, mainly because of the way I've got my PC set up. You know, I require quite a bit of airflow. I have my radiator on one side, I have my PSU on one side, and I have my GPU on the bottom. So there is quite a bit of airflow that I need there, and I don't really want to be restricting that and, you know, making the computer suffer basically. The performance acrylic panel kit is awesome though, and actually goes really well with the glass side panels. So it replaces the upper and the lower parts of the case, and you basically get even more airflow. It also provides a mounting sort of kit, so you can put your fans at the top or at the bottom. So yeah, if you are looking to get the glass side panels, I highly recommend getting the acrylic performance kit, because they go very well together. My PC build itself is actually pretty quiet, even under heavy load when I'm gaming, 4K gaming, whatever else. You know, I don't have a sound level meter, so I can't really measure how quiet it is, but it's definitely quieter than say a PS4 or an Xbox. And I think that's the most important thing for me, because, you know, I've been console gaming for a while. As long as my PC is quieter than gaming consoles, I'm happy. The monitor that I have sitting on the desk is the AOC U2790PQU. Quite a mouthful of a name, but it does have a 4K IPS panel that's 27 inches. I love the clean design of it. I think it has a sort of nice minimal look to it. It has a sort of brushed aluminium look to it basically. The bezels as well are absolutely tiny, apart from the chin at the bottom. It also has a ton of movement, so you can get it at the angle that you like, and you can even make it portrait if that's what you're into. However, the monitor is only 60 Hz, so you know, if you're into high-paced, competitive, first-person shooters, this monitor probably isn't going to be the one for you. It's more than adequate for me though, and when I'm playing games like Star Wars Jedi or Red Dead Redemption, I think it looks fantastic. The keyboard I'm using is the Keychron K2. I've already done a video on this, so make sure to check that out. I think it goes fantastically well with the look and the aesthetic that I'm going for, and yeah, it's just perfect with the PC build that I've got. The mouse that I'm using is the Logitech G305. It's a wireless gaming mouse that's very light and has awesome battery life. It also has a button on the top of the mouse which changes the sensitivity, which I think is awesome. You know, if you're changing between different games that require different amount of sensitivity, this is perfect. Without having to go into the settings or anything, I can just press the button on top and switch between different sensitivity modes. The only thing I wish it didn't have was the big G logo on it. I think it would look even better and even stealthier without it. I'm yet to find a nice gaming headset or gaming pair of headphones, mainly because they're all pretty ugly. They don't look very nice. So I'm currently using a pair of AI headphones. I think that's how you say it. It's not the easiest name to say pretty much. They're a company based in Denmark, and yeah, these headphones look incredible. They sound absolutely fantastic, and they're very comfortable for long sessions, especially when I'm listening to music or playing games or whatever else. They also look awesome, all blacked out. You know, they have a very sort of stealthy look to them, matte black everything sort of look to them, and the build quality is also brilliant. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my minimal gaming setup. I will leave links to everything down in the description below. I will also have another upcoming video of my actual work setup with my iMac and stuff like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.